What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I am on my way to meet a couple of friends at a restaurant called Flyfish Club. Flyfish Club is a members-only, very exclusive restaurant. My friend is the chef there. I am not a member. Back in, I think it was like 2021, you had to buy an NFT. There were two different types of NFTs that gave you different access to different parts of the restaurant. There is an omakase part, and there was a regular dining room part. We are going to the regular dining room part, not the omakase. And my friend is bringing us as a guest because he is a member. And my friend who is bringing us is my buddy Dave, who owned Golden Packing and who I used to work for as a butcher. So bringing it full circle. It is located on Houston Street between Eldridge and Forsyth. So right now I'm on Columbia. I'm just going up. I'm going to take a left on Houston and just ride that the whole way across. It's going to be a very short ride and review. It's not far at all. So on the way home, I'm gonna really have to jam-pack my blabbering with food review. If I can remember everything. I know we're gonna have a lot of stuff because it's just the way we are. My friend is the chef there, Chef Josh Capon. He's a handful. He's a fun dude. But he likes to serve a lot of food, so we're gonna be stuffed when we get out of here. I just know it. It's real loud right now, so I'm gonna shut my mouth. Some construction going on there. Try to get through this light and onto Houston. Good, I hate when I have to stop at that light, it takes long. So yeah, now I'm on Houston, just ripping across. So Flyfish Club. It is a beautiful place inside. I have seen pictures. I have not eaten there yet. The KNICKS just had a party there after they won the championship. KNICKS got the W. USA is doing well. We are into the knockout rounds now. In the World Cup stage, knockout stage of the World Cup. It's going to be exciting times here in the city this summer. A lot of these games happening just over the river, across the river in Jersey. All the teams coming here and hanging out here. All the fans going to big watch parties here. It has been very fun. Our next Electric Wednesday is on the same day the USA plays Bosnia in the knockout stage. It's going to be crazy. See if I can just get through this light here. And I think after we pass First Avenue, it's not far. We're at A now. So I am riding the Crew Mini X. I'm loving this bike. I finally got it dialed in and set up just how I like it. There's a couple of little things I might do. I might upgrade the battery to something bigger with more amp hours just to extend my range a bit, but I'm very happy with the range on this. I got about 30 miles the other day on a group ride, and I also might throw on some actual cranks and pedals, but we'll see how that goes. I'm still on the fence about that one because I like the idea of not having a chain to keep clean and maintain. So yeah, we'll see. I really like the way I got it now, so don't mess with something that ain't broken. I got to take this turn here. I got to cross traffic though. I'm almost there. It's just straight ahead. See if I can find a place to park this. Let's see, Flyfish Club. Bike lane here. There it is. All right. Oh, I could lock up here. All right. I will see you on the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up? Flyfish Club time.
Yeah?
Ooh. Hey, how are you? There he is. I see him. Wow.
Yeah, it would have been
Cheers, boys.
without action.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud. How we doing?
Capon's in the house.
Cheers, let's go! Flyfish, let's go! I'm not sure if some goes on my minute.
Yeah, thank you.
I want to try a Glenmore. Okay. We also have an American single malt if you want to move the schedule.
What do we got here? Beans? Peas?
That is when we're hammered. Probably still partying.
Well, if you heard Brunson on us, he was hammered.
He what? Yeah.
He was definitely hammered.
Oh, thank you, sir.
He said, "Thank you very much."
Let's go.
He never.
Yeah.
It's like,
So, same as me.
yeah,
Like
same idea.
2010.
Yeah,
Or
it's supposed to be 2 years also. I might borrow the light anyway.
No, all right.
Unless you want to give me a side swap.
We got truffles and Wagyu, crispy
Fucking beautiful.
rice.
Yeah. Can I grab a sausage roll? And he's up. Johnny.
Whoa, what do we got here? This is a
We got a
pesto?
little cassarecce,
All right.
crumbled sausage, pistachio, zucchini. We got a little lamb agnolotti.
Ooh.
We got a little rigatoni with crab and tomato. But you know what I say, buddy? It tastes better than it looks. Let's go.
Dave, you got your lamb anyway.
Yeah.
Look at that shit.
Cheese.
Oh, that's a great picture.
Oh, that's a scallop.
Thank you.
Snowy Mountain. French fries.
Thank you.
That's scallop?
Yeah, so
Big scallop?
Like escargot, they're in like
Oh,
little
I see,
like
I
in
see.
little
That's
dimples.
brilliant, man.
It'd probably be best if it was.
Hey, Johnny, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Get a little breadcrumbs,
Little bread.
a little chili pepper.
All right. Oh, yeah.
A little bit of that. And then you go like that, just like that. Let's go. Come on, just like that.
Man. Someone say, "Oh, should we do this?"
Yep. And I gotta tell you, those are some of the best.
All right, man, I am absolutely stuffed to the gills. That was an incredible meal. Expensive meal, but incredible nonetheless. Is this guy gonna run me off the road here? Yes. Hold up for this bus to go by. I had a lot to talk about. I don't know if I'm gonna remember everything we had. The green bean hummus dip. I think it was that. I think that's what it was called. Green bean hummus dip. It was amazing. It was incredible. Just something as simple as hummus could be so good. So you go here, get that. Really like the crispy rice starters we had, the little sushi pieces on the crispy rice. One was like a Wagyu and truffle. The other was like a fatty tuna. Both really great. Definitely hit those. Then the pastas. All the pastas were awesome, man. There was like a pistachio pesto. That one was really, really good, man. Just all nicely done. The lamb agnolotti too. Spicy rigatoni with tomato sauce and crab was really good too. Pork chop was great. There was a really great Caesar salad with a ton of like Milanese style fried chicken underneath. Man, it was incredible. I could have just eaten that and been full, but we got so much food. We got baked scallops that were done escargot style, little bay scallops in the divots with the butter sauce. Man, just very decadent, very tasty. What else? I know there was more. Man, we did some sushi rolls. I think it was like a caviar on top, and there was some Wagyu in some of them. Very nice. One of those was a little salty, but I didn't mind because it was just really tasty. And then by the time dessert came out, I was so full, I couldn't even eat that much of it. I had like a couple scoops of the ice cream, bite of the cookie, but you know, just totally stuffed to the gills. Man, this place, if you can get in here, if you have the membership, go often. If not, try to go with a friend, a visitor, because Capon just knocks it out of the park. Great meal. I know I probably missed some stuff. So for this review, for this ride and review, I really suggest you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the pictures, all the details. And as always, let me get on the sidewalk here, because this guy's blocking me. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.